Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm super excited about this video because I have my newest split cup, the triple split cup. So you guys are getting to see me try it out for the first time. I literally have not tried it before this. So it has 4 slots. I'm going to go ahead and put one color in each slot. So I really want to see, you know, the effect that all these different slots have, which you won't really get as much if you put a bunch of colors together in each slot. So we're going to keep them separate. And I'm using, oh no, I got some dried paint in that one. White, this is a fluorescent purple, some teal, and then black. All of these colors are Artist Loft Flow Acrylics except for that fluorescent, except for the fluorescent purple, which is Blickrylic. And then everything's mixed with Floetrol and water. I think I need a little more white in here. And now a little more color. And I'm actually going to use a round canvas. So I have a 10-inch round Master's Touch canvas. Okay. There we go. This is super exciting. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, I'm right-handed. So here we go. I'm not going to do just a tree ring right in the middle. I'm going to actually kind of do a traveling tree ring around here. Well, this is just exciting. So the awesome thing about these split cups is how it keeps those colors all separate, enabling you to get these beautiful lines. I am going to have a video coming up soon of all the different things you can do with split cups, including a comparison of all the different ones. But this is just so exciting. So check down in the description for all of the materials. I sell these cups in my Etsy store. I make these myself. And I think they are just the coolest thing since sliced bread. All right, that is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit here for a little while. Definitely have some air bubbles in there. And then we'll do a close-up. All right, so coming in for our close-up, you can see how those colors stayed super separate while making this gorgeous pattern. I feel like I probably could have gone in a better traveling tree ring, to be honest, but I just love this. I think it is so cool. So there you have it, my new triple split cup. I only have the 10-ounce size for now, but go ahead and check it out in my Etsy store. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.